kids, let's start from your student book page number 46. Students, it's a page number 46 from your student book, and you can see in the picture 3 children are sitting and they are trying to do some experience with their toy train and a plane. Okay, they set a board to race these two toys, and they are going to explore which one is the fastest one according to their experience. So we are also going to do this experiment, and after this you can do that activity. You can also try, and you can complete this page as well. Kids, we are going to do experiment with our transportations. Okay, so I have already explained about page number 46 from your student book. The topic of this page is explore with me. Okay, what we are going to explore? We are going to explore our fastest toy. Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you about these toys which I have. This toy transportation. Okay, so let's learn the names of these. A toy plane, toy bus, toy car, toy train. Okay, and some vocabulary words: wheels, big, small, fast, slow, the winner, transportation. Okay, so kids, we are going to do this experiment. Let's see which vehicle is fastest according to my experience, as I set a whiteboard to race the vehicles down. You can also try this activity at home as well. Okay, I have a small plane, this one, and a train. Okay, so we are going to do this activity among these two. Okay, let's see which one is the fastest. So according to my experience, I'm going to do this activity. Let's see which one is the winner one, and you can do this activity at home as well, and you can also find out your fastest toy. So let's start from this. Okay, with these two. 1, 2, 3, go! According to my experience, the train is the winner. Okay. Kids, let's do this activity among these two other transportations, a toy bus and a car. So let's try to find out which one is the fastest one. 1, 2, 3, go! According to my experience, the bus is the winner. According to my experience, the train is the winner, so I am going to circle this one. Okay, and I have also done this activity among these two, a bus and a car. So according to my experience, the bus is the winner, so I am going to circle it. And among these two, the car is the fastest one, so I am going to circle this one. So you can complete this page.
164. Listen and point.
Let's try a plane and a train.
Okay. Ready? Steady? Go! The train is fast. The train is the winner.
My little students, it's a page number 48 from your student book, and we are going to complete this page as well because it's all about transportation. Okay, you can look at the poster and then we will find out, and we will learn their names as well, and also we are going to color these posters as well. Okay, and also we are going to talk about this picture. So first of all, we are going to learn their names. The first one is bus, bike, train, plane, car. Bus, bike, train, plane, car. Okay, and we are going to color these posters one by one according to their outlines. Okay, let's see. The first one is bus. Okay, you take the red color and we are going to color it red. So you can also do this with me. The next one is orange. Okay, the outline is orange, and the poster of bike, we are going to color it orange. So you can complete this one as well. Okay, let's see the next one. Train. Its outline is yellow, so I have taken the yellow one. Okay, plane. Outline is green, so I am going to take the green crayon. Car. The outline is blue, so I have taken blue one. Students, let's talk about this picture as well. Okay, let's see. Sam, Anna, May. Okay, Sam, if we see in Sam's hand, what is this? It's a plane. And Anna got a bus. May, do you have a train? She said no, because in her hand we can see a boat.